What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I haven't made a video for almost 6 months, but I'm back and I'm going stronger than ever. I don't know how else to put that, but I am back, and today we're going to be customizing, not really customizing, more of tailoring these pair of pants that I got 4 months ago. Yes, it's been so long since I've done any of this, so if I sound kind of out of place and or I don't know what I'm talking about, I apologize in advance because yeah, it's really been that long and I'm still trying to like recover, not really recover, but like get back in the groove of things. But anyways, let's kind of get into this customization. I got these pair of pants from Cotton On. It's a little bit too long and a little bit too wide for my likings. So I'm going to be just doing a little customization, make it fit a little bit better. And I can't make it too tight because I'm a thick boy now because I'll be hitting the gym sometimes. So the thick boyness in me is telling me I can only do like cropped pants with a little bit of a wide leg to it. So that's kind of the look I'm going for this pair of pants. Also, on top of that, I'm going to be doing a little bit of heat press, so that's later on in the video. But jumping into it, I got these pair of pants that I'm using as a reference. Now, these fit me perfectly. Now, they have a little bit of a stretch to it, so that's why I don't want to use any other pants than this one, because the pair of pants I'm customizing also has the same or similar stretch to it. So I gotta like make sure the stretch factors are matching up when I use references. So references, I just put the reference pants on top of the pants I want to customize, and then from there I just go ahead and mark, the difference. Now, I'm not doing taking in the side, I'm taking in the front. The reason why I would go with this route than any other route is because when you go in from the side, it looks kind of weird. Sometimes it just like, I don't know, I just got thick calves and stuff like that, so it just doesn't look good. So that's why I'm taking it in from the front. This is what I call a middle seam. Instead of taking it from like the left or right seam of a pair of pants, I take it in from the front side. And it creates this really cool seam in the front of the pants, and you get that on both sides. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just marking it with some sewing chalk, making sure that everything is lining up, and I do a lot of like different checks to make sure that it's looking good. So after I've already marked down where I'm going to be sewing down, and keep in mind, if you are new to sewing and you're not following on why am I marking the inside, the reason why is because that's where the sewing takes place. I know that it's pretty obvious for some people, but I still get comments sometimes, and keep in mind, I still read comments. Like I don't neglect them. Sometimes people are like, "Why do you turn the pants inside out?" And I'm like, okay. Step one, turn the pants inside out. It's just where the sewing starts. So after preparing the pants to be tapered, I also have to prepare it to be hemmed. And the way that I do this is I already have the bottom marked from the reference pants. So I'm going to actually measure out 3 inches from there and then go ahead and create another chalk line / pin line. This is so I know where and when and how this pants is going to get done. So I go ahead and mark 3 inches out and then cut off the excess fabric that I don't need. So the pants are inside out, the pants are chalked, and we're going to be taking this to this sewing machine. Now, I usually, when I sew my pants for the first time, I use a larger stitch, meaning that I increase the stitch length, just so I can get a feel of, okay, is this a good fit? Did I mess up somewhere? And if I did mess up, I can seam rip it and it's not a lot of messy work. After tailoring the pants, the next step is to hem it. But before that, I'm going to get rid of all this excess fabric that I don't need in the pants. Remember to do this because I remember there was this one time I had this pair of pants that I tailored and hemmed and I did the whole 9 yards, and I put them on and I was like, why does this feel so tight? I'm pretty sure I tailored this right. And me being kind of like, I'm done. I'm done with sewing for today. I didn't even trim off the excess fabric, so that's what I'm doing here. So after tapering the pants, what I go ahead and do is hem the bottom with 2 folds. Each fold is 1 inch, and I use a ruler slash measuring tape situation to measure it out. After I got everything measured out, I take it to the sewing machine and do a straight stitch on the right side of the pants. The reason why I do on the right side versus the wrong side of the pants is because this is just something I'm accustomed to do, because when I do it on the wrong side of the pants, so the inner side of the pants, it always turns out really strange and it looks weird. I don't know if it's with my sewing machine or maybe it's the setting I'm using. I have not yet figured this out, but I always sew it on the right side of the pants. After that is done, I went ahead and threw on the pants to see how it fits. If I need to do any more alterations, I would go ahead and do so. But at this point, it was perfect. It's the way that I wanted it to fit. I'm a thick boy, so I can't have it too slim. I just gotta have it just right. Now to finish it off, I went ahead and designed something in Photoshop. Very simple, very minimalistic. I don't think I wanted to throw anything crazy on the pair of pants at this time, just because there's already a pinstripe design to it. So I went into Photoshop, did a little bit of CAD style. Very, very minimalistic. Also, I try to wear these, or I try to make clothing that's very simple because I also want to wear them to work. So I went ahead with a simple CAD style and a gold vinyl. It's almost like a metallic and it's kind of shiny. So I cut that out with my Cricut, and then I went ahead, used my heat press to heat press it onto the pair of pants. Now, this is what it looks like as a final product. I don't know why I did that accent. I absolutely love the way that it looked, and it's not normal for someone to wear pinstripe pants, so that's why it just really stood out, and the CAD style just added that little flair to it. So let me know what you guys think about the customization, the tailoring. Let me know all that in the comment section below. I know I haven't been putting out a lot of videos, but I appreciate people that do come by and see my video and click on it. So thank you very much. You guys are the realest, and a lot more videos to come. I have so much fabric, and majority of it is going to be like just t-shirts and shirts because it's too hot. I can't be wearing like layers or anything like that. So be on the lookout for some new videos coming soon. I have this one. I have a trip to the fabric swap meet, or the swap meet, to the National City Swap Meet. Sponsor me, please. And and then a fabric haul after that. So be on the lookout for that. More videos to come soon. Thank you so much for watching. I have nothing else to say other than I'm coming out with a podcast and some vlogs. So if you guys want to see what's happening in my life, please stick around for that. Otherwise, thanks for watching again. I love you guys, and I'll see ya.